everyone, it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel. I'm fighting with the lighting because the sun's shining right in my window, so I apologize if it's a little off. This is the only quiet place that I have to record. So for today's video, I am going to do an update on my Rolling 10 project pan. So if you would like to see the progress that I made for this month, then stay tuned for the video. Okay, so I have my book here with all my totals. Some of them are off the wall. I find when you move products around sometimes, if they're cream products, yeah, I apologize if the lighting is going in and out because the sun's going in and out behind trees and clouds out there. So yeah, I find sometimes with cream products, they, the numbers can go up and down. They can fluctuate depending on where things are in the pan. So just be mindful of that. Okay, so the first thing that I have to talk about is my Verb Ghost Oil, which is gone. I just literally, there's like a drop in there and I can't really get it out. So I'm going to call this gone. It's an empty. I want to repurchase that, but I don't know right now. So we're going to try to use up some other products before I repurchase anything. So the next product is my Mack Hydrogrip Primer. You can see where the progress is on that. So last month this weighed in at 101 grams. This month it's 100 even. So a little bit of progress. I've been switching. I have two different, I have a primer in another project in my deck of panning, so I've been switching back and forth a little bit, and I've been trying to get my usage goals on that one. So the KOSAS Cloud Set Powder, this was 74, it's 73. Again, it's one of those things where products move around and it's just, I don't know, but I'm trying to go steady on this. There is a big dip in it, so I'm hoping to finish this up this year before it goes bad. So that's the progress on that. My Fenty Cream Bronzer. I didn't want to finish this because I'm being realistic here. There's no way I'm going to finish it in a year. So I set a goal to hit pan on it. I hit pan. So that is rolling out this month as well. I'm going to keep it in my collection for now, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this yet. I've been liking powder bronzer again, so I don't know. But I keep it in my collection as long as it's not bad, and it's okay right now. The next product in here is my Charlotte Tilbury PINKGASM. Oh, the packaging is a mess in that. But anyway, this was, where's it at? It was 9 grams, it's 10 grams. Like, I don't understand how, it was 10, then it was 9, then it's 10 again. So I don't know. I don't know how that's doing that, but I have used it a few times this month, but it's just, the numbers are all over the place. The next product is the Fenty Heat Gloss. I used this a few times as well. I don't know if you can see the windowing in that. Let's hold it up to the light here. You can probably see it. So this stayed the same, but I did use it a couple times, so I don't understand. A lot of these can be the packaging too. And if the liquid inside is warmer or colder, that can make a difference too with the weighing. So, but I am making steady progress on everything. So I have some better numbers coming up. Don't worry. Okay. So the next product in here was my Hemp Lotion. As you can see, it's starting to come down. So last month this was 482 grams. This month it's 452. So I used 30 grams of product out of this. So that's good. Alright, the next product, there's some usage in this. This is my e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. If you can see there, it's starting to wear down. Last month this weighed in at 44 grams. This month it's 39 grams. So quite a bit of usage on that one. I've been trying to truck through that. If I can get through that, that'll be two like foundation type products that I'll be using up for this year so far. So I'm good with that. The next product is my Too Faced concealer. I don't wear concealer all the time, guys, to be quite honest with you, because my under eye area isn't really a problem area, but I'm trying to use it. I'll use it as foundation a few times if I have to. This is the Born This Way concealer, and it's the same 25 grams that it was last month and it is again this month. And then last but not least is this setting spray, the St. Lux setting spray. Last month this was 77 grams, this month it's 72. So I've been using this consistently. So the two products that are rolling out are going to be the bronzer, which I hit pan on, which was my goal, and the Ghost Oil is done. So that's moving out of my collection. That's an empty for this month. So I think I'm close to 10 empties, I think. This doesn't count as an empty because it wasn't a goal to finish it. Alright, so for those products, what I am moving in is... Okay, I had 2 products selected. Okay, so I'm going to roll in this... I know, another powder. But I'm going to roll in this. This one I got off of Temu, and it's Mack Andy powder, and it's a pink setting powder. I'm going to use this for under my eyes. But I'm only setting a goal to use this 10 times. It's brand new, so it didn't come completely full. There's what it looks like. But yeah, I know the goal of this rolling project 10 pan is to finish products and replace them, but sometimes things are just not realistic to finish them in a year, and sometimes you get bored. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm setting my own goals. Agree with it or not, it's my project pan. I'll do what I want. And then for the Ghost Oil that rolled out, I'm going to put in this Olaplex number 3. I want to use this up, obviously. So this comes in at 38 grams and the powder came in at 50 grams, just so you know. So that is my update for my rolling project 10 pan. Have you guys finished up any products this month? Let me know down below. I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.